Hey guys, it's Warren here, and today we are making a banana daiquiri. This is a really refreshing cocktail that's also super easy to make. And this recipe is enough to make 4 banana daiquiris. To begin with, take a jug for a blender, then peel 2 bananas. Add the bananas to the jug, then pour in 100 milliliters of light rum, followed by 50 milliliters of orange liqueur. And next, add 4 teaspoons of white sugar and squeeze in the juice from 2 limes. Now place the lid on your blender and blitz until nice and smooth. And if you only have ice cubes, add these in once the mixture's smooth and then blitz briefly until crushed. Alternatively, if you already have some crushed ice, fill your cocktail glasses with it, then split your banana mixture between them. Give each cocktail a stir, then top up with some more ice if needed, then these super refreshing banana daiquiris are ready to enjoy. And if you loved the look of this cocktail, remember to subscribe for loads more recipes.